Well, it's had a glorious, solid fab manifold and exhaust system fitted by our Richard and Jensen, and now it's up onto the dyno for a bit of Ecutek mapping. Good, okay, right, so FD2 Civic.
Don't see many of these.
We don't see many of these. This is obviously imported. It's very, very nice, and today it's had a solid, fab 4-to-1 manifold and exhaust.
D-cap and exhaust, yeah, lovely bit of kit.
It is a lovely bit of kit, isn't it?
I would imagine it cost all of it.
I bet it did. It looked good enough just on the floor before it was fitted.
Yeah, before it was fitted, yeah.
But yeah, that's going to have freed it up somewhat, isn't it?
Yeah, it's the first FD2 we've done, basically, using the Ecutek software. So a bit of to and fro with race ROMs and getting in initially and getting started. Use some areas crossed over, obviously, from FN2s that we've developed and done with, and sat and write our own file. Took a little bit of time, but we've got there in the end and got a good result. I think we've finished on 237.
I think it made just over 200 at the wheels.
Yeah,
which is good. Which is good. Made 30 in the mid range, didn't it?
Yeah, surprising considering the same sort of engine was set up as the FN2 with the
exhaust
flow. Yeah, exactly. It's almost straight as an arrow. It's straight out the middle.
Yeah.
Manifold straight across the subframe, straight out. you know,
as opposed to a square, which is the
a little bit, obviously a little bit of a turn to get over and up over the axle and everything, but we'll get out through the back suspension.
But the FN2's got like 490-degree turns.
Yeah, it almost pretty much drives home again that it is 100% down to the exhaust design, ain't it? Because way up there on power.
I really like this, Richard.
It's nice.
Can't afford one, but I really like it. Yeah. What else have we got to say about it? Other than that, it's a beauty, ain't it?
Yeah, it's fantastic underneath and under seal, which is great, and it's wax all sort of.
Have a factory speed limit on it still.
Yeah, but it will do, won't it? Obviously, it's
I bet that was annoying.
In the ECU. No, it's alright, 112. I mean, not very many times you're doing that, really, is there?
I suppose so.
Just annoying when you want to do more than that.
Yeah,
I think.
Which is always in a Honda.
Yeah. Right, shall we have a look at the graph?
Let's have a look at the graph. Okay, so there we go. Red line is as she came in, the blue line is as she leaves. 30 brake horsepower in the mid-range and leaving just over 201 wheel horsepower, which equates to 237 brake. What a lovely car it is. Look at that beauty. Jensen's enjoyed himself today, haven't you, Jensen? Yeah, look at the smile on his face. I remember when I was interested. Yeah. So, thanks for sticking around to the end of the video, guys. Like and subscribe and all that jazz. And if you've got one of these, let us know in the comments below. And if you want one of these, let us know in the comments below. And I shall also be commenting that I want one. Code word, I suppose this is Championship White, ain't it?
Yeah.
So, code word Championship White, why not, eh? And we'll see you on the next one, won't we, Rich?
Indeed.
We will indeed.
I'll say it again. Life moves pretty fast.